Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we'll be assembling the rear clip, basically just the arm assembly. I'll save the rear hubs and turnbuckle camber links for a separate video. So I have a bag number 9 opened up, laid out here. I already put in the droop screws. So we'll go ahead and move forward here. These rear arms come with these attached shims. This one is supposed to be, technically, this thick one is supposed to be for the arm. This thick one, thin one's supposed to be for the arm. The thick one's supposed to be for the hub. But you don't want to really use either one of those right now, so just set those off to the side. What you're going to want to use is the tree of shims that come with the car, just like we did in the front suspension. You're going to want to use the same for the rear. So we'll be using the 1.5 again. That's the same as we did on the front. We got those out there, and then the same as we did to the front arms, we're just going to clean all of the little burrs and flashing off of the arms all the way around, make them nice and clean, finished. Alright, so now the arms are cleaned up, droop screws are in. We'll double check our hinge pins, make sure that's nice, that falls through with zero resistance. That's what you want. Same thing on that one. So those arms are perfect right out of the package, no needed extra work there. So like I mentioned in my unboxing video, I'll be using the optional C block that uses the square pills, same as the D block. This is the stock C block that uses the oval pill. So the difference is basically, the only difference is the pill itself. Everything else is the same. So basically, this stock C, this row of pills, you can only go up or down, not in and out. So you're up and down, and that up and down position is basically the middle of this block. So it's right down the middle. So with this block, you're able to move the arm to a narrower pivot or a wider pivot, in or out, with this pill. So that's what I'll be using for the build, and that's what I use on all of my WRC buggies, is this C block. Okay, so with that bolted on, the pill that I use is the pill that puts the hole all the way to one side and in the middle. So it's going to be the back side of the pill. It'll be the one that has the dot in the middle of the outside of the pill. And it's square, so you can rotate it around any way you want. So what I do for the C block is I mount the arm as far inside as possible. So it's got the narrowest pivot it can get. Make sure you get your pill in all the way. Sometimes they're tight. So you see this pill is, the hole is all the way to the inside and in the middle. And that's the location I run. Okay, got the pills in there, so we'll just go ahead and attach our arms now. Much like the front arm, how I run the front arm all the way forward, I run the rear arm all the way back. So we'll take our 1.5 shim and we'll actually put it to the C block side, pushing the arm back. Alright, and then for the D block, I run the pill all the way to the inside, the same as the C block, all the way as far inside as you can, and I run it down, in the down location. So you'll need the pill that has the hole all the way down and all the way to the out, like one side, like in the corner, but all the way down. And then just rotate it in there until it puts the hole to the inside and the down location. So it's all the way, this is where the gearbox is going to be. So it's all the way to the inside and it's down. That's what my D block looks like. So I'll go ahead and bolt that up. Same as we did on the front. You don't want there to be zero play. You want a tiny bit of back and forth play in their arms, so there's zero bind. This is what you should be having, like no resistance whatsoever. It should be absolutely free. There should be a tiny bit of movement between the suspension blocks. The arm should have a little bit of a back and forth, but not excessive play. And that's a perfect perfect suspension build. So next thing would be to go ahead and complete the sway bar mounts and get them bolted up to the arms. Same exact process as the front end. Just after you pop in the balls, be sure to check that they are moving freely with no resistance. Down she goes. Okay, and then start your set screws in there so they don't get lost. And then, like I said on the front end, make sure you screw these in by hand, because this thread here into these arms isn't cordless or cordless screwdriver friendly. So do those by hand, and that completes the rear arm assembly, and basically ready to bolt both these front and rear clips to the chassis now. So continue to follow along, follow the channel, and please like and subscribe these videos if you like them and you want more content flowing. So continue to follow the channel to continue to follow the build series.